Retirement didn't really last all that long for Phil Nicoletti, even though this is a fill-in ride. He's still back racing, and this is for the last round of the WSX for CDR Yamaha, supported by Star Racing. He's the fill-in ride for Caleb Barham, whatever, who has a wrist injury and will not be making the final round. And this is the thing. I mean, if he's retired, he's still going to be fit, obviously. And if you can do fill and rides, you can do the fun stuff that you want to, you can pick and choose. Do I want to do this? Sure. Can I do that? Sure. You can agree to things. You can, say, nah, I don't want to do that. Or I'm not ready or I don't feel good. You don't have to have the pressure of, a full season and worrying about championship points and worrying about this. You just need to race. And as far as I know, the WSX rules require that a team, if you have a team in the series, you have to fill in rides. You can't have the, yeah, well, that guy's injured. Sorry, we won't be making this round like you can in just Supercross. So, and I actually really like that, right? That rule, because you have all these things like, I mean, look how many years that P, PC, Kawasaki has had no one racing. You get a couple rounds of people and then, never mind. Everyone's injured. We don't need to bring anybody. We're not bringing any bikes. We're not filling any rides. And so I like the rule that you have to fill it in. I think it's good for the overall racing, for the overall series that, the whole gate is going to be filled. But I don't know. You guys tell me. Are you watching the final round? Who do you think wins the title? Are you excited for A1? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.